Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at color gradients in Flutter. Now in Flutter, we have three main types of gradients. We have the linear gradient, we have the radial gradient, and we have the swift gradient. We'll be looking at all three types of gradients in today's tutorial. But before we get started, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also like this video, and without wasting time, let's get started. So the code we have right here is just a normal boilerplate code. We have the main function, we have the stateless widget which have the material app, and in this home page is where we'll be writing all the code for today's tutorial. So here we have an app bar with the color gradient text as the title here, and we have a container as the body which takes the height of the whole screen and the width of the whole screen with the red color. Now first of all, let's look at the linear gradients. So here we have decoration and we have box decoration right here. So gradients and then linear gradients. Now in the linear gradient we have a color property which is a list. So right here I'll be adding 4 colors. We have colors dot blue. You can add any color you want. Colors dot green, and you can also add any number of color you want. But here I'll just be using 4 colors. Colors dot yellow and colors dot red. Good. Now if you have a box decoration, you can't have a color here anymore. So I'll just comment this out, and if I should save this now, you can see our gradient right here. So right now our gradient is taking equal proportions. The color here is equals to the proportion of the blue is equals to the proportion of the green, the yellow, and the red. Now what if we want it to be different? So that's why we have the stop property, which will also be in this. So the stops right here should be equals to the list of the colors you have. So with the stops here we have, let's say our screen here from here to here is just 1. So here is 0 and here the end is 1. So right here I'll just give it different stops. Let's say I want my blue to stop at 0.2, my green to stop at 0.5, my yellow 0.7, and there 0. Should start 0.9. So if I save this, you can see the blue is taking up more space than the others. Also, you have an alignment of where you want your color to start from. So alignment, begin and end is not called alignment. So begin and then alignment dot top left. I want to start from here, and end should be bottom right dot bottom right. And if I should save this now, I see starting from up here and it's ending right here. You can also give it anything you want here. You can make it end at the top right too. You see how it looks. So just the straight one, you can say bottom left. You can just play around with this to see the different results it will give you. So let's try the radial gradients now. Radial gradients, good. And so it doesn't have a begin and end for this. So if I should save this now, you can see it looks like the moon or the sun or whatever round shape you can just think of. This is how the radial gradient looks. But you also have some properties of its own, like the radius, the alignment, the focal point, and the focal radius. So let's try the alignment. Let's see what do you call it here? Center alignment dot top left. Let's see how it looks. So you can see as if the moon is just rising, or the sun is rising, the sun is going to set. So this is how it looks, but let's keep it in the center for now. So I'll just comment this center out, and the spark in the center. You can also change the radius shape. So it's at 0.5 currently. You can make it 1. Just keep in mind, the bigger your radius, the less colors you will see on the screen. So you can see our red is gone and our yellow is gone. You can only see a blend of blue and green. So let's just keep this 0.7, I guess, and then alignment should be top left. And this is looking good. Now let's check out the last gradient, color gradient in Flutter. And here we have the sweep gradient. We will remove this and we'll remove the alignment. If I should save this now, you can see how beautiful this looks. This is the sweep gradient, and I'm sure we have come across this maybe 1 or 2 times in some different type of apps. So sweep gradient also has some properties of its own, like the alignment, the start angle, and the end angle. So let's check the alignment. If I make it top left, it's gone to the top left. Let's try another. Let's say bottom right. So it's just moving the colors around. Let's stop. Let's comment this out for now. Also, the begin. Yeah, I think it has that. Okay, start angle and end angle. So start angle by default is at 0.0. Let's make our own 0.5, and end angle is 3. This looks beautiful. So you can just keep on messing around with the numbers here until it provides a very beautiful results that you love and you like. And so this is all we'll be learning about gradients, color gradients in Flutter. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want the source code, I'll leave the source code link in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.